Hey guys, it's JoJo from JoJo's Cup of Mocha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going through with you guys what I packed for my solo New England road trip. So it wasn't like my normal, packing videos. It wasn't really that long or thorough or in-depth. I really didn't have the time because I was working that week and I just had to make do with the time that I did have. Even though it was relatively short, I hope that it really does show you all the things that I plan to take, and for the most part I really did use all of it when I was in New England, so I hope you like it and stay tuned. Of course, when you go on the road trip, you have to pack ahead, so I am just spending some of this evening packing ahead, just getting most of my stuff packed and ready to go, and then the day of I will actually do the finishing touches and add whatever it is that I gotta have. But anyways, let me show you what I have so far. So this is the backpack I plan on taking. My rain jacket's already in here. It's my Eagle Creek Global Companion backpack. Same thing I've used forever. These are my tops. I have 7 tops. A few of these are crop tops. One like nice-ish sequins t-shirt. And then the rest are just like legit t-shirts. I have 2 thermal tops. This one is a full-length thermal, and then this one is like a crop top because I do plan on going on hiking, so I have those. These are my car clothes, so that way when I'm driving to and from whatever state I'll be driving to, like for instance on Friday it's going to be like a 6.5-hour drive to Massachusetts, and then from Vermont it's going to be like a similar time frame to get back to Pennsylvania. So this is just when I'm in the car driving for a very long period of time. 2 bras, taking with me undies, you don't need to say that, but 2 socks. These are merino wool socks, so these are going to be perfect for the cold up there, or if it gets a little bit warm, it's going to help keep my body cool, and these are really good for hiking. Electronics organizer in the corner there. I don't know if you can see, but I am currently charging my batteries and whatnot for my cameras and all that good stuff. So yeah, a lot of it's out, but that will be going with me. This is what I'm going to be using to hold all of those batteries in there. This is my toiletries bag, which is pretty cool. This is a new one I got off of Amazon. It opens out like this and has a hook, so you can hook it up on the door or wherever it is that you want to hook it onto. It opens up, and just like that, bring in a little bit of makeup brushes, all of my toiletry stuff for my body, my face, soap saver, and wet wipes. Pretty basic. And then these are just the little mini tripods. This is a flashlight that I'll be taking with me. This one's cool because it pulls out like that and you can zoom in on it and whatnot. Pretty decent. I have reusable batteries for this, so the reusable batteries are over here charging. So when they're charged, I'll put them in here. That's my little microphone for my little compact camera. This is a little bag. This is like a survival power cord bracelet from when I go camping. It has not only like a little compass, but like an SOS sign and light, LED light, perfect, whistle, other things in there. And carabiners. These ones are amazing because you can twist them, and that way it makes it harder for people to snatch things off of your items. Microfiber towel, just in case I stay in like an Airbnb. I have my hotel booked for the first few nights in Salem, Massachusetts, but I don't have anything planned after that, so just in case I go into an Airbnb or whatever, have that. First aid kits. This one is like an actual first aid kit, and this one's just like mess and whatnot. These are all of my pants, 7 pairs of pants. Of course, I'm bringing these to Salem. It's October, Halloween, of course, duh. A pair of jeans. I plan on wearing them on like a fancy night in Salem, and then the rest are basically just leggings. These are my pajamas that I'm going to take with me in a couple of days, but I'm actually still going to wear them because I just recently took out new pajamas. I'm not gonna put these in the dirty clothes and then take a whole new set of pajamas. Like, these are just 2 days old, so I'm bringing them with me. And yep, that's everything. Just another thing I wanted to say, what I'm using on this trip, because it's fall and I'm bringing a bit more bulkier items, I'm using compression cubes this time instead of just my normal flimsy, well, they're not flimsy, but just very lightweight and compact packing cubes. So this size compression cube would not fit in my backpack, so I just had to switch to my traditional Eagle Creek packing cube, which is fine, but I managed to fit all of my tops into that compression cube. Change of plan yet again. I'm actually not going to use the compression cubes. I'm actually just going to use my Eagle Creek packing cube, because what I'm finding is that the backpack will close, but this is just too, like, thick. And like with the Eagle Creek stuff, it is thick, but because of the material, it's very lightweight and it can easily contour to the shape of the bag and the spaces. This is still good. I would recommend using this if you're carrying a backpack or if you're using a suitcase. Like a smaller backpack than this, but just use the smaller ones. However, if you're using this style of backpack where there's items on both sides and you have to close it and the backpack's just gonna bulk out so much, I don't think that's the right combination for these. However, if you're using just a traditional backpack, just put this at the bottom and then stack them, but the backpack itself can still close. I think that would be the best option for you. Okay, so this is it. This is the finished result. I'm sorry this video was very quick and not really like my normal packing videos, because I genuinely did not have the time to really pack and thoroughly like go through everything with you guys, but I do hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. So please give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Click the bell to receive notifications of when I upload videos like this. See ya!